prawns 1 kilogram. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Ginger 1 inch. Garlic 12 cloves. 7 green chilies. Blend to fine paste and set aside. On medium to high heat, add coconut oil 3 tablespoons. Add marinade prawns. Fry until it cooks well on both the sides. Once done, remove from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add 4 tablespoons coconut oil. 3 large onions sliced. Sauté the onions until translucent. Add whole spices. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the prepared paste. Sauté for 3 more minutes. Two large tomatoes chopped. Salt to taste. Mix well, on low heat, cover it and cook for 5 minutes. Mix well and cook for 3 more minutes. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Garam masala 1.5 teaspoons. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add the fried prawns. Mix well until combined with masala. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Few coriander leaves chopped. Few mint leaves chopped. Mix well and set aside. Ghee 3 tablespoons. Coconut oil 2 tablespoons. Add whole spices. Sauté for few seconds. 1 large onion chopped. Sauté the onion until translucent. Add ghee rice 3 cups soaked for 30 minutes. Mix well and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add boiling water 6 cups. Salt to taste. Mix well and cook for few minutes. Gently mix well, on low heat, cover it and cook until done. Gently mix well. Remove half of the cooked rice and set aside. Gently mix well and spread evenly. Layer the prepared prawns masala. Layer the remaining cooked rice evenly. Sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder on top. Few coriander leaves chopped. Few mint leaves chopped. Cover it and cook for 15 minutes. Enjoy!